morning students, myself Swati Thakre, your science teacher. In today's session, we are going to perform the next practical. But before performing that practical, first I wanted to know that the previous session we have seen two practicals. Okay students, I hope you all get these two practicals easily. Okay, and you have to write these practicals in your practical activity book. Now students, in today's session we are going to perform practical which is related to our lesson number 4, that is heat. Okay, so let us proceed. Just like as usual, here before performing practical I wanted to tell you that about the introduction of this practical. See students, our aim is to show the conduction of heat. Here we have to show that the conduction of heat. In the theory part, we have seen that what do you mean by the conduction? Yes student, anybody knows what do you mean by the conduction? Yes, here I wanted to tell you that the process by which heat is transferred from hotter end to colder end of an object is known as conduction. Okay, what do you mean by conduction? The process of transfer of heat from hot end to cold end. Okay, means it is the process. But here we have to prove by performing practical that the heat is transferred from hot end to cold end. Okay students, this is just a statement, but we have to prove practically that statement. So for that purpose, what are the materials required? These are aluminium or iron rod, whatever may be the rod, aluminium or iron rod, iron nails, molten wax, burner and clamp stand. Okay students, these are the things which we require. Now, what are the materials required? These are seen in the pictorial form. Okay, so that you get idea about how to do practical. See students, here it is the iron rod. This is burner. Okay, now this is stand. What is this? This is iron rod which possesses certain nails over it. Which possesses certain nails over it. We have to put this iron rod into that edge of the stand. Okay students, see over here. How to fix this nail to that rod? The nails are fixed by using a wax. Again students, here I tell you that the procedure: take iron rod or aluminium rod, fix nails using a wax, okay, and then fix this rod to that stand at one end. Okay, after fixing this rod, what you have to do? Now you have to hit the other end of the rod by a spirit lamp or burner. Okay. Now after the hitting at one end of this rod, you have to observe what will happen to these nails. What will happen to these nails? Okay. See students, whenever we hit this iron rod by the one end, what will happen? The near nail, the nail which are near to the end where the heat is, that nail falls down first and followed by its neighboring nails and so on. Okay, first which nail falls down? The nail which is near to the spirit lamp, which is near to the heat. Afterwards, the nails which are neighbor to that nail and so on, they fall down one by one. Okay, how this is possible? See students over here. and why these nails are fall over here. See, the theory behind this is the heat which we provide at the one end of this iron nail, okay, that heat flows from one end to other end of the rod by the means of conduction. By the means of conduction. So here we have take iron rod, that means that is a solid one. Okay, it is the solid object, iron rod. So this iron rod possesses certain molecules which are very closely packed, touching one another. Okay, so when heat is supplied, see students over here, when the heat is supplied to one end of the rod, the molecules absorb that heat. What will happen? Molecules absorb that heat and begins to vibrate. Vigorously. So these vibrations are passed on to other molecules or the neighboring molecules and make them also vibrate. This phenomenon is repeated throughout the length of the rod. This phenomenon is repeated throughout the length of the rod. From the first end where the heat is provided, that end to other end, that means throughout the length of the rod, what will happen? These molecules absorb heat, vibrate itself, and then again it can transfer that heat to next neighboring molecules. That neighboring molecules also get vibrate, and so on the length of the rod. Okay student, so in this way the heat energy is transferred from hot region to cold region. See students, the end which is heated by the spirit lamp, that end is obviously the hot region, while the end which is attached to that stand, which is obviously cool region, as the heat is absent over there. But as we heated this rod at one end, what will happen inside the rod? The molecules in the rod absorb this heat energy and get itself vibrate, and then they can transfer this heat energy from one molecule to the other molecules, to the neighboring molecules, and so on throughout the length. And in this way, when this heat is transferred from this hot region to cold region, what will happen? When this heat energy is transferred from hot region to cold region, what will happen students? See over here. What will happen? We just see from the first slide. What will happen? The nail which are nearer to this hot end falls down. Then ultimately the neighboring nails falls down. As the heat passes to the nails, at that time the nails which are fixed by the wax, so wax get ultimately mold or the melt with the help of that heat, and that nails get ultimately falls down in this manner. See students. Okay, so from this experiment we get idea about the conduction occurs through the conduction or the transmission of heat in the solid substance takes place through the conduction. Okay, or the conduction occurs in the solid substances. Okay, this is all about the practical. Okay, this is hot portion, this is cold portion, and this heat is transfer. So it is this procedure. We have to take aluminum rod, fix some iron nails, small iron nails on this rod with the help of molten wax. Then clamp the strip or the rod to the stand and then heat the free end of the strip with the burner or the spirit lamp. Here students, in the practical lab, I also perform this practical with you with the help of video. So you also please see that video. In that video I have taken the strip of iron instead of iron rod, and what will happen that you have to see in that video. Okay. So what is your observation after this practical? The nails fall down one after another starting from the free end. Okay, what we have observed over here, the nails are fall down starting from the free end, and also the nail at the clamp end, that is other end, that is the cold region, falls down at last. Okay. So this is our observation. So here we just observe the nails are fall down. The nail which is nearer to the hot region falls down first, and the nail which is far away from the hot region falls down at last. So this is only the observation. So from that observation, what we conclude over here, see students, we conclude that this experiment confirms that the heat travels in the solid through the conduction process. Okay, so heat is transferred through the solid, okay, or travels in the solid through conduction process. Okay students, in this way we have proved our aim. What is our aim? The aim of practical is to show the conduction of heat. Okay students, so in this practical we can show that the heat is travel in the solid through the conduction. Thank you students. Here after this thank you slide, there is one video which you have to see practically how these nails are falls down. Okay students, if you have query regarding this practical or any, so please feel free to ask me. Send your query or any concern to my mail ID. This is my mail ID. Okay students, thank you. Let us perform the practical, that is we have to prove that the conduction of heat. So how the conduction of heat occurs? So for that purpose the materials required for are the burner, see over here, also one iron strip or any aluminum rod, to which here I take certain pins or you can take nails, and that nails are attached with the help of this wax. Okay students, now here we have to perform this practical, that to conduction of heat. So how? See over here by the practical students. First what here I do, I first on the burner, afterwards here I heat this one end of the iron rod. Okay students, here I take iron rod instead of aluminum rod. Okay, so here we heat this first one end of the iron rod, and just observe what will happen to these nails or these pins. Okay, see over here. Just observe students this, what happens to the red color pin, blue color pin, green color and yellow color. See students, this first pin falls down, okay, which is nearer to the one end towards that heat. Now what happens to the blue color pin, which is just far away for the one end? It takes little bit time, but you have to observe each and every pin carefully. See students, this blue color pin also falls down after some time. As we hit the one end of this iron strip, but the pins which are far away from that end, that also falls down due to the heat. Okay students, see what will happen to the green pin and this yellow color. Just wait for some time students, as it takes time. See students, this green color pin also falls down after some time. Now what happens to this yellow color pin? Because it is really far away from that one end, that is, it is exactly at the other end of this metal rod. Okay, so what happens to this, whether it is fall down or not after some time? This we have to observe over here. We have to wait for a little bit time students. See students, this yellow color pin also falls down when we hit this rod from one end. Okay. So students, what will happen to this? This we have to see over here. So students, when we hit this one end of the rod, at that time what happens? The conduction of heat occurs. What is that? The heat from one end to other end get transferred, and due to that transmission of heat, the pins which are nearer to this falls down first, then so on. So from this experiment we can prove that the conduction of heat occurs through solids also. Okay students, got it?